Hello, this is a quick demonstration of the preliminary version of the drone engineering ecosystem. This is the general scheme of the ecosystem with the different parts. Here we have the dashboard. This is the application, the desktop application that is used by the drone engineer to control the system. And we also have a version, a mobile app with a reduced set of functionalities of the dashboard that can be operated from a mobile phone. Not all the functionalities of the dashboard are included in the mobile, only those that make sense to be done from a mobile device. The global broker is a middleware that is used to communicate the dashboard or the mobile app with the drone platform that is in the top part of the figure. In this red square, we have the software on board, maybe in a Raspi, mounted in the drone platform. Here we have a module that is the name is the gate, that is used to communicate the rest of the elements with the external modules through the broker, the global broker. So the gate receives the commands from the dashboard and distributes the commands among the different services, the different elements on board. These elements are the autopilot service that controls the autopilot, the camera service that controls the camera on board, and finally the LEDs service that controls the LEDs in the Raspi. And we have here a local broker that is used to distribute the commands between the different services and the gate. So if I want to take a picture, I can ask for a picture from the dashboard, then the command goes through the global broker, arrives to the gate on board, and then the gate sends the command to the camera service through the local broker. The camera service asks the camera to take a picture, takes the picture, and sends the picture back to the dashboard. Okay, so these are the elements, and the autopilot service can, of course, operate with the real autopilot, but also with the simulator included in the Mission Planner software. So we have a version of the ecosystem that is completely simulated so that we can experiment in our own computer without needing to have a real platform. So we can develop the ideas and the system and test in the development environment, all simulated in our computer, and then when the system is working perfectly, then we can go and install everything in the real system and test in the real system. So in a second video we will see in action all these modules.